Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Tech note: for display purposes, we've removed the steering column from the vehicle to best explain how to install this part. Warning: we recommend disconnecting the battery before beginning the installation. Do not attempt to install your new lock cylinder without obtaining a new pass key. This replacement cylinder comes with a key used as a cutting template only. This key will not start the vehicle. A new pass key type key is required and is not included with this lock cylinder. It may be obtained at any automotive locksmith or GM vehicle dealership. First, remove the column tilt lever if equipped by pulling it from the column. Remove the lower shroud mounting screws and pry the lower shroud from the column. Next, remove the upper shroud mounting screw and lift the shroud from the column. Disconnect the electrical connect to the ignition lock. Rotate the lock cylinder to the start position. Finally, use a small screwdriver or pick to press the release button and pull the lock cylinder from the column. To install the new lock cylinder, push it fully into the port and reassemble the column by following these steps in reverse order.